I just passed Tonopah, which is 6 miles further than I made it before. So, yeah. Me and this coach had a little bit of a talk yesterday, and I sure hope it listens. But right now, we're doing good. Guess what, guys? Just lost a trailer tire. Yeah, this is awesome.
That's something to make it easier to do that.
I want the ending thing, you know, one nut.
Oh, that doesn't happen in a long time.
Hey everyone, Rick, Static Nomadic, back here at 602 in Phoenix. Get another tire for the trailer and figure out how a bolt came out of the suspension on my trailer. This is just simply amazing. When that bolt let go and it dropped down on the frame, the tire hit the inside. And that's what tore up my tire. So now I got to get another bolt and nut and check the rest of these, make sure they ain't falling out. This is crazy. Okay, so I just found out that they are closed on Wednesday. And I'm hunting around for a bolt, and of course I couldn't find one. All the crap I towed in this trailer, I didn't have what I needed. Nothing new. I walked across the street. The guy found this one, but it's a little sloppy. And then I just happened to look down and found this nut and bolt on the ground, and I think it's going to work to get me out of this. That bolt looks like it's going to work. I went ahead and Loctited them together. Check all the rest of these, make sure nothing else is going to fall off. Alright, well, after messing around today and this morning and fixing the tire and everything, since they were closed, the spare on. It's a good thing I mounted up that repair spare that I did, because guess what? I'm sitting on the side of the road again with another tire. Look at that. Unbelievable. Tell you, I'm getting to be quite the speed pro at changing out trailer tires. And I really hope my patch holds up. Man, I gotta find me a tire shop fast. Well, everyone, there it is, tucked away in its little spot here. And boy, getting in this place was rather difficult and interesting. We had to split the trailer off and use the maintenance pickup here to move the trailer into its spot. These are some tight spots here in this storage area. Good news is that after that second flat tire, 6 miles outside of Benson, Arizona, I was able to find a tire shop in Benson. They got 2 new tires on it for me, And the rest of the trip went much smoother. I just put this thing in the wind and took off. I had to get back here and get this thing in storage because I plan on running 48 states over the road. The good news is on my shackle bolt here, that fix worked out rather well. As you can tell, Rainmaker Rick has been at it again. But that's okay, because this thing needed a bath, something fierce. Oh man, it was horrible. And just this little bit of rain has rinsed it off rather nicely, and hopefully I can find a piece of property to put this thing on, permanent like. Well, semi-permanent. I do still plan on living on it. I do plan on traveling. But I want to get it out of this storage area, obviously. This is not the best place for it. I have no plug-in for the electricity to help maintain the batteries. I have the solar, but those house batteries are hurting, so anyway. And as you can tell, I cleaned up for the new job a little bit. Not so sure I like it. I already miss it. It's only been gone a few hours. Anyway, I wanted to get this video out. I know it's been a while again, but I've had a tremendous amount of stuff going on since I got back, and I just got to get ready to hit the road again. Hope everybody's doing good. Peace out.
Okay.